Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I like to talk about my best models, the best models that I use, models that have like a realistic skin. So I have here some examples and I like to show you all these examples and I like to show you all these models and I give you links to download these models. Okay, so let's see. There's the first one. So this model you can see here. So this is of course after editing, and as always if you like to get the presets you can get it from the link in description, the light and the preset, because actually you can not get a good result without light. So the light and preset. But in this video I like to talk about these models and I like to give you the names of all these models and links to download it. This one is actually, I have here some scenes and let's see. So this is actually this model and it's called Imogen or Imogen. So this is exactly this model that I use to create this render with exactly the same skin and morphs. So I add these tattoos, but this is the same skin and the same morph. So Imogen. And I put link to download all these models, okay? So the next one is, this is one of my best models talking about skin. I have here this example and this another example. You can see here her leg skin is look realistic, and you can see here how her skin look really amazing and realistic. So this model actually is, this model is called Rosemary Winters. I think it's from a video game. So this model, and I put a link to download it for in the description. You can get it. Okay, next example. This one is one really this model is amazing. The skin is look really amazing. Of course, to get this result, you need to edit your render. If you know how to edit your render with Photoshop or Lightroom. If not, I can offer for you like a solution, like a light and a preset. Apply the light to get this shadow, then apply the preset to get these results. And I have here another example, really amazing. You can see how the skin looks like, really look realistic. Even you cannot say that this is a render. Okay, I think 2 examples. Okay, so this model is called BG Caprica HD for Genesis 8.1. This one, okay? You can get it from the link in description. Next one, I have this model. You can see here how the results looks like. It's really amazing. And I like to say something, all these models and all these renders, I create all these renders with the same light and presets, okay? So this model is called Yennefer, something like that. Let's see. Nefer. Exactly. So this is the model that I use. Okay, so next example, this one. Okay, it's look good. I have I think another example of this model. So this is the same model, but it's not the same preset. So this skin looks like, you can see here the skin how it looks like. This another preset. It's more like more red color here. Okay, so 2 examples here. So this model is called, of course I add this tattoos. This tattoo is not with the model. This model is called BG Lira. So this is the model BG Lira. BG Lira. Okay. So next, so this next the famous Death Stranding mama, and I use these models in so many renders, and I really like this model. So this is Death Stranding mama. I have more than one example. This other example, you can see her skin how it looks like. It's really amazing. It's pretty face, and okay. So here the light and the preset to get this results. I have this example too. I like her skin. And I like her face, how it looks like. So she looks really realistic, realistic, realistic. This is another example, but it's not the same preset. Here I use this preset, and here another preset, but yeah, you can see there's the same model, Death Stranding Mama. Here I edit my render using a preset to make my skin look more smooth. Okay, I have an example like the same render here. Just I like to show you the lag, how it looks like. Okay, so Death Stranding Mama, you can get it from the link in description too. When you download it, you get it not here with characters, but you get it with clothing, and you get it here, Death Stranding Mama. So you add the basic Genesis 8 female, then you apply her head and her skin and her body and everything. So let's delete this one. Let's delete all this. Okay. Next one is the famous Jill Valentine. Jill Valentine, I really don't like her face and her hair. There is some problem here with her hair and with her eyes. But if you know exactly how to use Photoshop and Lightroom, or how to apply the right preset, you can get a good result, as you can see here. So G Valentine, exactly like Death Stranding Mama, when you download it and import it to Daz Studio, you get it here with clothes. So you open G Valentine character, you add a basic Genesis 8 female, then you apply the hair and the head and the body and everything. So next character, this character is, I don't know if this look realistic or not, but so many details here with this character. So this character I think is BG Corson, this one, and there's so many details with this character, as you can see here, so many details, and this is good. It's look different, it's good. And the last one is actually so this one is actually this character, okay? But I like to show you the back of the character. So this is the render, this is the render with preset, and it's look good. So it's like the same one is BG Lira, okay? So this is my best characters that I use, and so enjoy. I put links in description. Also, I put links for my light and preset. If you like to get good results, you can use my light and preset as always. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and okay guys, see you in the next video. Ciao.